guys. Yeah, we're not going to have neighbors today because every time I look in a wheel, I get dizzy. What is this? Never, ever before in my life I've got dizzy from looking at the wheel. Good luck. Last things to go, guys. Yeah, the whole grid moving currently. Okay, I suppose. I make you happy, Wody. Aw, glad to hear that. Here's the line numbers. I think they make you happy as well, right? 418 and the 30. One more 9. There it is. That's what it looks like. 817 hours. Thank you. Dun, 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 dun. Laura, you are red rose. I am a little... Really? Good luck. I'm unimpressed. Are you aware? That's a close. Thank you very much. You feels like you gave your best though. Well, no, you can use autoplay for that. That's a little quicker than 5, 16, 32, all 50. Good luck. Ooh, right. Bada boom, bada bam. 34. On the third time. Thank you. Looking like an amateur. You're calling me an amateur? I've been here for quite some time, my friend. Moving on to the next one. Balls in the rim. 5 seconds, guys. Can we super happy? I know. 500 would make everybody, including me, super happy. Your best post. Oh, you are. Oh, no worries. Everybody started off as amateurs. Don't you even worry about that. 9, 34, and 36. Good luck. And we're having a green bean. Search for section. Another green bean. Actually, second one. Oh, here the last. Thank you. Amashing is the Tom as well there. Thank you very much. So yeah, you can just use autoplay and then just add up some numbers or something like that. So no worries. You know, if you need, skip around. If you haven't figured out what to bet on, skip around, figure it out, I suppose, and then join in for the next one. There we go. 7, 8, and 33, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting 1. We're getting orb lines and HA number 1. Great, thank you. FAMP is the thank you. Basically, Boyd, you can place your bets and just repeat them over and over again. You know, there is this autoplay, repeat button, whatever, you know, works well for you. If you're constantly betting the same bets, yeah, you do it. Okay, nice. That's close. You're already a big step forward. Trust me on that. So here we go. We're having 30 with a lovely 150. Hold on, good luck. And that's the 33, ladies and gentlemen. Tier section, point number 33. Black one still. Right, Sam, chat, A, B, F, A, and Eric for the best ones. Enjoy. Not that big of an amateur. I don't think you even count as an amateur now anymore if you use autoplay. Good luck. Alright, I hope those straight-ups are on, because straight-ups are the ones that takes part in the lightning round. Fingers crossed tight. I'm missing on some lightning. I would love to see some lightning. So here's our 3 options, 21, 32, and 33, hopefully covered with a bet. What about 25? What about wasn't? What about our dozens? You like it? I like it. Thank you very much. Lovely. So in the last spin, we've had 6 red numbers, 3 blacks, and 1 green. All right, so a little bit of everything. Thank you. Betting time autoplay. And we're going to check it out. We're running short on time. Where's the lightning? In the sky. That's close. I'd love to tell you, but I don't even know how lightning happens. The real lightning, not this one. 2 and a 15. Good luck. Oh my. 24. What a lovely number. I love 24 because my birthday is on the 24th. Enjoy third column. Number even and high. Final lead, Michael, Yo, Sup, Trumbo, and Melze, thank you. This is the only occasion I'm gonna say Yo, if that's in your nickname. Good luck. That's I never say Yo, guys. Never. Now, boy, don't you dare. Here are the numbers. A 10, a 21, and a 23 as well. It's an awesome hunt. Well, we're having 30 red at the moment on the hotties. Ladies and gentlemen, our counter does let's leave the number as well. Hot numbers 2, 1, 30, 14, and 16. So they're hitting around the 0 and 3. So you're betting 0 and 3 neighbors? Aw, Alec, thank you. Moving on. Bats, autoplay. You ready? I'm ready. Neighbors ready as well. And the grid is ready to leave us. Or my colleague calls it a that's a great 680, 21, ladies and gents. Good luck. Apparently, boy, you just need to ask. This is 15. It's a third protection number. It's a third column number. Low of 15. Here, enjoy the wins on this one. And prepare bets for the following round. Yep, ball's been launched. Good luck. Oh my, the whole grid is busy. Like, there's nothing I can really point out. Because, like, everything is moving. These are numbers 17, 18, 25. A 3, a third column, a first dozen, the same good old version. Thank you. Enjoy 22, all M. Show me, I'm sure rich. Enjoy the wins. Sister, where's Big Lightning? Well, sister, I don't know. I don't know, sister. Are we calling sisters? All of us are sisters, yeah? Good luck, ladies and gentlemen. You know that's true, because sometimes, you know, your family is not the people with the same blood, right? Good luck. Let's get a grid going. We got an 18, 23, and a 33 as well. The beautiful 100. Well, a 31, or lines and a great little first column, keeping the pattern alive. Ladies and gentlemen, red flag, so the leader's on 20, 14, 9, and 22. Hang time for next one. Where am I from? I'm from Latvia, boys. Do you know where this magical place Latvia is? Any clue? What? No. Are you from Latvia as well or something? That's close. Why was it in a caps lock? Why are you laughing? Okay, the 9, the 17, and 21 right here as well, with 902 of them. And 20! Bum, bum, bum. More flies, more comments. James Chalmers, Amish Johnson, Lippy. You got the wins, enjoy. So, why were you laughing? Why you wrote in a caps lock suddenly? Suspicious. Every time somebody turns on caps lock, I feel like, don't scream at me, please, you know. Get your tone down. Any clue where that's... Oh, I see. Not even close. Okay. 0, 26, and 27. Beautiful. 526. Ooh, 30 and a hot one. Right. That's the third one. That's the winner. Enjoy the win. Well, do you have, boy, like a clue which continent it might be from? You know? Any, like, you know, at least a continent? Give me your best guess. Oh, you Googled, huh? That's close. Like, everything is nearby Russia? Yes? Alright, ladies and gentlemen, we got a 1, we got a 4. Awesome. 101. And the hottest number right here, right now, ladies and gentlemen. 2 white from what's on section here. Lovely low and even. Amish on 18. Red 14 poppers. Thank you for playing. Good luck with the next one. Bets are open. So yeah, near Russia. Basically, if you know where Finland is, then there is one country down Estonia, and then there is Latvia. So 2 countries down from Finland, what's close, or 2 countries up from Poland, because you might know those 2. Okay, a 9 and lovely. 29 as well, so 300. Good luck. Here it comes. 3. We're having quite a lot of low number signs up here. Nice. There's for section 3 red. 3 column. Awesome wins 1.2. Rise, Adel, Amish, Rachel, Walpers accordingly by the best row profit wins. Thank you. Balls and rim. Get ready. Prepare yourselves. Whatever you do there, a little lucky dance. 3 push-ups. Okay, do 5. Don't do 3. That's a random number. Numbers are here. 24, 28, 29 to 3 times. Alright, Kevin, this number is 31 black from Orpline section, and the zebra pattern is that.